When the US must go to the war, the B-2 is there on the first night. The B-2 went to its enemy territory on night 1 in support to Operation Allied Force in Serbia, Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, Operation Iraqi Freedom in Iraq, and twice in Libya support of Operation Odyssey Dawn and Operation Odyssey Lightning. The B-2 is only aircraft to combine long-range stealth and heavy payload on a single platform. Let's watch the full video and find out some interesting facts about world's most expensive aircraft. The B-2 Spirit is by far the most expensive aircraft ever built. In 1997, its overall cost stands at $2.1 billion. It costs about $135,000 per hour to operate. When the B-2 Spirit has been designed and developed, the program was classed as a black project. This meant that anyone working on the program needed secret clearance before releasing any information to the public. With that said, more personnel within the US federal government knew about the B-2 project than was the case with the more sensitive Lockheed F-117 program. The B-2's use of stealth technology is one of the most notable advantages. The B-2 Spirit is capable of minimizing its aerial signature, whether in relation to infrared acoustics and electromagnetism or radar. The B-2 SAW is the first operational use during the Operation Allied Force. The B-2 flew less than 1% of the total missions, yet destroyed 33% of the targets during the first 8 weeks of the conflict. The B-2 holds the record for longest air combat mission in the history. In 2001, the Spirit of America and 5 other B-2s were the first to enter Afghanistan airspace for a record-setting of 44-hour missions. The aircraft's performance even more impressive, in that the B-2 made a quick pit stop for a 45-minute crew and service change with engine still running. It then flew back to Missouri, another 30-hour flight for a total for more than 70 consecutive hours. The B-2 is 69 feet long, 17 feet high, and has a wingspan of 172 feet, half of the length of the football field. The B-2 can reach a high subsonic speed and can also reach an altitude of more than 50,000 feet. The B-2 has intercontinental range. The B-2 can travel up to 6,000 nautical miles without refueling and 10,000 nautical miles with only one refueling. It can reach at any point of the world within hours. The B-2 can carry a payload of 20 tons. Northrop Grumman has produced a total of 21 B-2s. Aside from Spirit of America, each stealth bomber is named after a US state, being with the Spirit of Texas, which one became active in March 1994. Other B-2s include the Spirit of New York, Spirit of California, and Spirit of Arizona. A 22nd aircraft was proposed but never made. Spirit of Kansas was only one B-2 which crashed in February 2008. Dear viewers, which of the characteristics of this plane fascinated you? Comment down below, and if you like this video, obviously give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more this kind of video. Thank you so much guys, see you in the next one.